said, Lord, Lord, ain't gonna retrieve this.
We got carrots here and radishes here.
So you got all the carrots planted down in here and radishes in here. All right, so I brought you over your mulch, and you've been going to town with mulch. And tell me what you got going on here, baby.
I'm putting mulch around the flowers to help prevent weeds. I'm sorry, these are squash and zucchini. Got okra over here. I just planted seeds here, so I'm not gonna put mulch over it because I already have dirt over it. And right here, it's gonna be a flower bed, but we also made these from seeds. These are potential broccoli. Not sure if they're gonna take off this year. We're a little out of season, but this place is a little bit more shaded, so maybe it'll be cool enough to grow. And yeah, just taking my snap peas and green pole beans and slowly teaching them to climb their wires. I've actually already been able to eat a few babies. See, they're already growing and producing. And the ones that I've eaten have been super yummy.
Super yummy. It's coming out good. Working hard on the old homestead.